just exploring with y'all boys, man. Bucklat. Yes, Bella. Outside, outside. Yo. YouTube. What is good with y'all boys, man? As y'all can see, we got the car right here. We about to take it out today for a little POV drive. It's not a yap session as usual. We just walk y'all boys around the car. Feel what I'm saying? Listen to that idle. Hey man, if y'all boys new to the channel, hit that like, comment, subscribe. We on the way to 10K subs right now. Interior nice. I gotta clean my interior now though. I see a lot of dirt and shit getting on my mats. Hopefully y'all boys been enjoying the vlogs and shit I've been dropping. I'm trying hard as possible to drop every day for y'all boys. My battery keep fucking up, bro. My car be acting like a little bitch. M-Pack is coming up soon. I gotta get a new battery, an alignment, and I got a V-style lip to throw on the car. Stay in tune, man. Stay in tune, chat. It's a lot of shit coming. Finna go fuck up some backroads for y'all boys. Give y'all boys some real B58 sounds. Hey, comment down below if this is the craziest B58 you ever heard. On God it is. Listen to that bit chopping right now. Enough with the yap session, man. Let's get into this vid. Probably start this. Oh my God. This lady running, she probably mad as shit. About to start this off with a crazy ass dig. Yo, that intake, bro, like, oh my days. Listen to this intake, chat. So shit, we just exploring with y'all boys, man. Yo. Bucklat. Like, I really know this car really well, chat. I'm trying to take y'all boys down some crazy back roads right now. Yo, shout out to Sydney, bro. She back there helping us right now. Yo, I wonder if a car is coming. Yo, that sound crazy just now, no? But yeah, man, shout out to Sydney, bro. She back there. She the one telling me where to go, low key. I know where I'm going, but there's this one left turn that I make that she about to help me with. Y'all wanted some back road POVs? Why Sydney on bumper though? This bitch echoing. This back road. I've been wanting to come on this back road for a while. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all hear these shits right now? This shit is crazy, bro. Yo, y'all ever went up a hill and then y'all try to look over the damn hill to see what's coming, bro? This shit crazy. I ain't gonna lie, I need to put on some new burble settings, bro. These are too long. Let me slow down and give y'all boys some nice burbles. Oh my God. I don't know, bro. That turn came soon as hell, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, sir. Yo, I did not know Booth Bay had all these sounds down here. Yo, this car is so fucking torquey, man. Huh? You looking at me?
No, it's mine.
Huh?
Mine. No, draw him. No.
You draw me?
No, mine.
Huh?
Drawing on her leg.
Don't draw your leg. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to YouTube. What you guys say to the people? Huh? What you guys say to the people?
I don't know.
You don't know? Bella Espute. What's your name? Draw B? That's your name? Type shit. It's not Kalani no more? Y'all say what's up to the people. Say how y'all doing. Say we vibing. We vibing. We about to go play Minecraft. Draw B. I love you. Mwah. I'll see you when I get to the crib, alright? Listen to this, chat. I'm gonna let go off the gas. Downshift. Oh my God. It's like that shit don't get old at all, bro. Yo. 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 That shit felt like it was floating, bro. B58 is the best daily for the price range, I'm telling you. Like, listen to that bitch. And I don't want to hear about that Audi shit. No Audi sound as good as this shit right here. And thank y'all boys for supporting me though, man. I ain't gonna lie. I was just looking back at my vids from last year till now, and I'm saying, bro, thanks for all the support, bro. We have a lot of shit coming. A lot of shit. Should we end it off with one more dig, chat? Because we about to be at the crib soon. About to do another dig for y'all boys, man. Yo, I'm speechless, bro. I'm trying to tell you. Like, I love this car so much, bro. Like, I literally don't want to sell this car, but I done already did everything I wanted to do to the car. So it's like pointless keeping it and just keep, I don't know, bro. I want to start a new project for the channel. Feel what I'm saying? So what do y'all see me in? What do y'all boys see me in? Otherwise, I'm a BMW 340 F30. I've been thinking about getting like a X3 M40 or like a 540. You feel what I'm saying? I wanted to get the 540 base and build it to like an M Sport version so I could have way more videos to make for y'all boys. You know what I'm saying? It's a bigger project. But let me know what y'all boys think, man. Just let me know. Like, comment, and subscribe if y'all boys enjoy the vlog, man. Feel what I'm saying? I got some shit I want to do today. I'm gonna go out and make another vlog today. But that vlog, I'm gonna make that vlog in Sydney's car because we about to go places. We about to go out to the park with Bella and them. Feel what I'm saying? Do a little day in the life, John, with the family. If y'all boys don't want to watch that shit, then don't fucking watch it. I'm gonna post that shit, bro. I'm tired of just posting car content for y'all boys. I got a family too, bro. I be doing shit with my family. I got my kids. If y'all don't want to watch me with my kids, then y'all not real supporters, bro.